The unity in the diversity. We have been hearing this cliched statement since our childhood, since long back when we were studying in the schools. Still applicable for our country, India. But now I have realized that it is not our country, India alone. My present country, Zambia, is also in the same conditions of the unity in the diversity. It's a multilingual, linguistic, and a multi ethnic group of the countries. It was the biggest challenge after getting independence after long struggle to keep this country united. And that time, the first president of Zambia, Kenneth Kaunda, he has adopted the principle one Zambia and one nation. There are multiple languages, at least 13 prominent languages, and there are as many as 150 dialect in the different nooks and the corners of this country. The major languages are Bemba, Nyanja or Chue, and Tonga and the Lozi. There are different cultures in the different areas of this country. But keeping this theme of one Zambia, one nation, they become united. And that's why it is quite helpful for building the nation in a united way to have the share in a equal manner so that every regions of this country become developed with the equitable range of the property of this country. Yesterday, it was Heroes Day. And it is a tradition for this country to celebrate the Unity Day just after the Heroes Day. Conventionally, it is kept on the first Monday of month of the July as the Heroes Day. And the next after that first Tuesday is Unity Day. And today is the Unity Day. It's the public holiday for this country of Zambia. Let me tell you about the Heroes Day, something little bit. Like India, Zambia was also under British rule, and ultimately with a lot of struggle for the freedom, with a lot of bloodsheds, and also the sacrifice of the millions of the people, Zambia ultimately got freedom in 1964, 24th of October, by means of some negotiations. But don't have a concept that only negotiation yielded to the freedom. No. There are a lot of pressure, a lot of struggles from all corners of the people under the leadership of Mr. Kenneth Kaunda or Simon Kepoepe and many other leaders and many other workers, many other strugglers, soldiers whose contributions remain unsung, but not at all insignificant. Just like it happens, we are seeing the big waves in the oceans. But do you know that there are very small waves, and the tremendous energy of the small waves are responsible for the big waves to emerge. So now, this day of the Heroes Day was the day to remember all those unsung heroes of the freedom fighters prominently. But it was extended to other contributors of the nations, just like footballers, because of some mishap that happened in 1993. The entire football team along with the coach got the victim of the plane crash and their sudden demise. They were going to represent the country in the football tournament. Later on, bravely, the many other persons of this country struggled during the COVID-19 and the cholera breakout, and the President Hakainde Hichilema already addressed their contributions in the building the nations in the Heroes Day. Followed by the Heroes Day, today is the Unity Day. To get this thinking core inside the subconscious mind that united we stand and divided we fall. And that's why this concept is quite effective for a country like Zambia to contribute so that overall, as a nation, it can place itself in a significant position where the people of Zambia can become developed. And that's why with some relentless sacrifice of the all levels of the people, they are building the nations. It's really remarkable. And the enthusiasm and the spirit of the new generations and the uh, newly born or some junior people who are taking the mantle in order to build this country stronger economically and also on other field also culturally. So this is quite essential, and to maintain this spirit intact, the nation Zambia is celebrating both Heroes Day and Unity Day back to back to make their populations, their people aware of these things, their need to contribute, and the requirement of this country in a unified manner to develop. So with this theme, I hope that those days are not far when utilizing its natural resources, mineral resources, Zambia can develop and soar high. There is no wild goose chase. The successive governments are taking in a focused way the mission to make this country a developed one. This is all about Heroes Day and Unity Day. Stay with me. I am Gautam Kumar Chakravarti. Thank you.